welcome to Blush Blush. First of all, friends, I'm really sorry that I was not in a condition to upload a video in the last entire week because of my health. I was down with viral and my throat was choked and whatever you can think of on the earth. I was facing all the problems, so I'm really sorry about that. एक चीज़ और, अगर आपको मैं अच्छी लगती हूँ ना तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब पहले कर लेना, because what happens is by the time I say that in the end of the video that subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it, blah blah, खत्म हो जाता है video. So it is good that in the beginning only I'm saying that in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red button underneath my video जहाँ पे लिखा है red में subscribe. The moment you will hit the subscribe button, it will turn to black, but only once. It is absolutely free of cost. Once you have to click it, and that's it. Second thing, do press the bell button because it is really important to get the notification of the new upload in case if you like my videos. So you will be the first one to get the notification of the next upload I will do. So आइए शुरू करते हैं video. और okay, so I have come up with a wonderful review of an eyeshadow palette. Now the name of the eyeshadow palette is the 24K Nudes from Maybelline. The 24K was the thing which actually attracted me to pick this eyeshadow palette. Now, so here we're going to unbox this eyeshadow palette, and let me just talk about the packing first. It actually is in golden case and it has a transparent lid on it. So here I have opened the Maybelline 24K Nude eyeshadow palette. Now let's go ahead and talk about the shades which are there inside this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this eyeshadow palette actually comes with a brush. Now let me just also tell you, not all the shades are very easy to work with. It is a combination of some shimmery and matte and light and a dark eyeshadow colors. Now what I did was that initially when I tried it to swatch it on my hand, it didn't work very well, but then I made my brush a little wet, and then when I tried, it was giving me a little darker pigmentation. So if you can see, the result is here in front of you. So let me just try with another color. Okay, so let's take a very light color, which is a golden color. And if you see, it is not at all visible. I tried really hard with a wet brush also, but it's not working fine. So if you see, the darker shades are actually working fine with the wet brush, but the lighter shades you actually have to work a little more with them. So there is a different trick. Let me just share with you. So एक और ट्रिक बताती हूँ. ब्रश के साथ I tried everything but it didn't work for me. So what I did is to check the pigmentation. I actually used my fingers, and let me just show you how exactly it works. I think ये हमारे जैसे लोगों के लिए ही बनाया गया है, this eyeshadow palette. So you can have a look. Okay, this is the kind of pigmentation you get when you use actually your finger. Okay, so this is the second color, this is the third color, and this is the fourth color. It is actually visible, but when actually I was swatching it on my arm, it was not visible. I was not giving even kind of pigmentation. So वो थोड़ा patchy था, तो brush wasn't working well. Along with that, अगर brush को wet करके use कर रहे हैं तो it is working much better. ये एक और shade है which I tried, so this is working pretty well when I use with my fingers. So I think इसके लिए brush नहीं बना, इसके लिए fingers बने हैं. Let's say for example I will be using this color. So इस color के लिए मैंने अपना let me just take it on my thumb. Okay, thumb में लेके okay, just have a look. If you can see, it is much visible now. The way you use it matters. Okay, so I actually now like the pigmentation of this one, but I think it works better with the hand rather than using it with a brush. देखिए. Okay. Now let me just use another color. Okay. एक चीज़ और है कि इसके जो shades are very close to each other. Now they both are looking similar shades. तो आपको थोड़ा सा mixing करना पड़ेगा, and then you can actually apply this, and it will look really beautiful on your eyes. मैं very soon I will be coming up with the the makeup tutorial with this eyeshadow palette in order to make you understand how exactly it works. It was just a review about what all colors are there in this. Rest other details, if in case anybody wants to buy, can get in my description box. The link I would be leaving in case if you want to buy this 24K eyeshadow palette, along with that price and everything, all the details I will be leaving in the description box. And stay tuned to Blush Blush. I will definitely be coming up with the makeup tutorial of this eyeshadow palette. अभी के लिए इतना ही, चलती हूँ, फिर मिलूंगी कुछ नया लेके. Bye.